Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, State Trooper.
Ingénieur, hostie. Hey, on est bien c'est l'air, hostie! C'est un problème! Man, j'ai une caméra! Tu te connais pas la police? Calme-toi! J'ai sorti... J'attendais de sortir après toi, c'est quoi ton problème? Quoi? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? C'est quoi ton problème? T'es normal c'est l'air, tabarnak! J'ai 2 caméras dans le truck, c'est un problème, on peut faire venir la police. Va te parquer là-bas, on va appeler la police. Là, tu bloques la circulation, c'est un ticket. Ah ouais!
Back up. Back up. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy. Oh shit.
What's who? Here you this fucking idiot. What the fuck is your problem?
Kumon, piece of shit. You game playing bitch. 35 years I've been dealing with like you. Yeah. So what are you doing now, dude? Get the going, man. What the pull over, bitch. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. You wanna with me, motherfucker? I'm calling the cops on you. I'm calling the cops on you right now. Right now, I call the cops on you. Yeah. Come on.
Despite the fits, I gotta be me. Baby, you're all mess. Sitting here, I'm all by myself. I'm trying to be everybody else. I see. What are you gonna do with that now? What are we doing, buddy? Alberta, huh? You gotta pull over? Did I hit you? Do it again? I dare you. I dare you. Hit your brakes again. Hit your brakes again. I dare you. I f***ing dare you.
3/4 miles, take the exit on the right to North Union Street, then take the first left. Take the exit on the right to North Union Street, then take the first left. Turn left at the traffic light.
In southern Jersey where I don't gotta pay for fucking parking. And probably what the f are you doing? God damn, you stupid mother. Stupid mother.
On the action below. I'd been sad to leave our boat at the edge of the hard, cracked desert, but once the tall grass prairie started, it had been useless. For the last day and a half, we'd waded through sharp-edged grass taller than my head, with Tim breaking his back and falling miserably in his wake. The air here was heavy, cool, but humid, and we kept being assaulted by horrible clouds of stinging gnats. After the dry, bugless air of the desert, this felt unbearable. Here, I handed him the binoculars, lying in the grass next to me. We were hidden well. The prairie ended here, cut 3 feet into the grass, and no one could see us. He gave a low whistle while I smashed the bug and shook it out of my shirt. Right, I said. Like the biggest cell in the whole United. He lowered the binoculars and looked at me. It's not a cell, he said solemnly. It's a city.
just pull it? No, okay. Okay, we'll just get you juice.
There you go, lady. Simple as that. That's all you had to do.
And she was yelling at him.
Yeah. Because she didn't back up to let him in.
Oh, shit.
Harsh event detected.
That shit was lame.
And I'm not saying I don't get what he's saying. Listen, I've been in a relationship before where I know I'm acting this way, but it's things that you're doing that's making me act this way. I've been there. But I just feel like it's a little bait and switch with calling it that. A little clickbait. Getting a little clickbaity with the albums.
It was rated up to 100, 120 pounds. Ooh, somebody got their picture taken. What do you... It's a green light, stupid! What the f***?
Okay, Garmin. Save video. You! You! Okay.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.